In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Calendar, the best productivity tool. By the end, you'll have a clear, color-coded system that keeps your schedule organized and your mind focused. Start by opening Google Calendar. On the left panel, click the plus sign next to Other Calendars, then choose Create New Calendar. Make a few separate calendars to categorize your life, like work, content creation, clients, personal growth, personal, and health. Give each calendar a distinct color so you can glance at your week and instantly understand what's on deck. Short, clear names work best, and you can toggle each calendar on or off to reduce visual noise when you need to focus. Next, fine-tune your defaults so every new event behaves the way you prefer. Click the gear icon, open settings, then event settings. Set a default event duration such as 30 or 60 minutes so you aren't adjusting length every time. Add default reminders, like one 10 minutes before and another an hour before, and choose your notification style, whether pop-up or email. These small tweaks dramatically reduce missed tasks and last-minute scrambles. Now, time block your day. Instead of a long to-do list, assign tasks to actual calendar slots. For example, set 8:00 to 9 o'clock a.m. for admin tasks, 9 o'clock to 11 o'clock a.m. for deep work, 1 o'clock to 2 p.m. for client calls, and 4 o'clock to 5 o'clock p.m. for content creation. Treat these like real appointments. If something runs long, drag the block to adjust. Add brief buffers so you're not racing between commitments. To save time, use recurring events. Open an event and set it to repeat. Schedule weekly planning on Sunday night, a monthly budget review, regular client check-ins, and your gym routine. Recurring events automate your rhythm so you never start from scratch each week. Protect your attention with focus time and out of office. Focus time automatically declines meetings during heads down work, while out of office blocks invitations when you're unavailable. If you use tasks, turn on the integration so actionable items appear on your calendar and move with your day. Finally, sync everywhere. Install the Google Calendar app on your phone, enable notifications, and let Calendar pull in events from Gmail so meeting invites appear automatically. Connect your preferred video tool, like Zoom or Google Meet, so conference links are attached and ready to join. Inside each event, use the description field wisely. Add a clear agenda, keynotes, links to video calls or documents, and a simple checklist. Keeping context in one place means fewer tabs and faster starts. Set it up once and let your calendar work as the command center for your most productive days.